How to clear cache in Reelshot app. Need to clear Reelshot's cache to fix slow performance? Here's how to do it on iPhone. First, open Reelshot on your device. Here at the top, you can see the gear icon. Tap on it to open the settings and look for the clear cache or clear storage option here. Once you find it, tap on it to remove temporary files slowing the app. If you don't find this option, try uninstalling and reinstalling Reelshot for a full cache reset. Restart Reelshot and check if it runs smoother. Have you cleared cache to fix app issues before? Share your experience in the comments below. Regularly clearing cache helps keep the app running smoothly. And that's how you can clear cache in Reelshot app. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.